Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J. I am powered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful snowflake pattern. Without wasting much time, let us go into the video and learn how to make this beautiful snowflake. Chain 6, slip stitch to the first chain to form a ring. Chain 1 is not counted as a stitch. 1 single crochet, place a stitch marker so that you don't get confused with the slip stitch. Chain 7, single crochet, single crochet, chain 7, single crochet 6 times. I should make 6 times. I shall also get back when I am done. I have placed my 6 single crochets. Instead of chaining 7 and joining with a slip stitch here, I am going to chain 3 and make a double crochet in the very first single crochet so that I get this loop here. And now I need to have in this chain 7 loop, I need to have several stitches of different heights, and the middle we have 3 trebles. So I want to work in the middle treble when I come back. So what I am going to do is I am going to place my first treble as a twisted treble one time, hold, pick up, bring it 2 times. So it's the height of a treble now. So I have done my first twisted treble. Now let me place my stitch marker in that V stitch, otherwise this will go and hide when I come back. Definitely it will hide and trouble me. I will be searching for it to place my slip stitch. So next treble, now 3 doubles, one, 2, 3 double crochets, 1 half double crochet and 2 single crochets. It's really hard to work under the chain spaces. It will be on the first chain space only like this, afterwards it will get set. Okay, now this is only half done, the other half I'll come back and complete. In the next chain 7 space, place 2 single crochets, 1, 2, 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochets, and 3 treble crochets, the treble crochet in the middle, and this is the middlemost one where we are going to work. Now 3 double crochets, 1 half double crochet, 2 single crochets. Place this many stitches in each of the next 4 chain 7s. I shall complete in the next 4 and get back to you. Now we have come to the end of the round here. I have to complete my first in the first stitches in the first, so I need to place 2 single crochets, 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochets, and 1 treble crochet. Okay, it's complete. Now we will slip stitch to the first treble crochet that we did here in this place, and I have marked the middle treble crochets with my stitch markers so that it is easy for us to place the stitches for the next round. So if you feel like you can do it, otherwise you'll have to count every time and go ahead. This will be an easier method. As we crochet along, if we place the stitch markers in the stitch where we need to do the stitches for the next round, especially in such motifs, it will be easier to work with. Okay, now I'll remove the stitch marker from here and slip stitch. Ordinary slip stitch, no issues. Now chain 1, place a a single crochet, chain 4, sorry, let us go with the slip stitches, that will give a better appearance. We have slip stitched over there. Now chain 4, slip stitch into the same stitch here. Now chain 8, slip stitch on top of the middle treble, chain 4, slip stitch in the same treble, again chain 8, go over, jump over to the next treble here, that is the middle treble. Continue placing the stitches all around. I shall also complete and get back to you. I have completed all the stitches here. I have chained 8. Now slip stitch to the on top of this treble here, or on the at this point you slip stitch, go over to the slip stitch to the chain space. Instead of directly we can make the stitches so it won't be that very visible. So pull up a loop, make a single crochet, then 2 double crochets, so this way it is neater. It's all in our hands how we manage. Then chain 2, 3 double crochets, again chain 2, 3 double crochets, 2 times you have to do. Chain 2, 3 double, chain 2, 3 double, 2 times. One time over, chain 2, 3 double crochets again. Chain 2, 2 double crochets and 1 single crochet here. And a single crochet here. And now under the 8 chain space we are going to place 6 single crochets. Chain 1 and go over to the chain space, 8 chain space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now chain 1 single crochet, 2 double crochet, the same stitch pattern what we did here. So this is the repeat for the entire round. I shall make this and show. Single crochet, 2 double crochets, chain 1 minute. I need to place one more. Chain 2, 3 doubles, chain to 3 doubles 2 times. Again chain 2, 2 doubles and a single crochet here. Chain 1, go over to the chain 8 space and place 6 single crochets and continue the stitch pattern all around. I shall complete and get back to you when I come to this particular spot. We've come to the end of the round here. So I've placed my 6 single crochets, chain 1, now slip stitch to the first single crochet here and fasten off. That's it. Here we have completed our snowflake pattern 2. Hope you liked this video, friends. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video, but a humble request from our side, please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and click on the bell icon too if you need notifications of new videos which are uploaded every other day. Do like and share our videos too so that it reaches the maximum number of people. Bye for now, friends. Have a great day.